You do crime, you're willing to be gay. Inside. It's someone who's open-minded. If you are a criminal, then you are open-minded. Sexual. You are bisexual. I can't fight. I think I will just give myself. I'll be someone's wife.
Nah, man.
Not knowing the chance of being sodomized that day. Yeah. Because you can see people will offer you plates. Yeah, and cigarettes. Because they say that's the thing. Don't be greedy.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't accept anyone's
Don't
gift.
accept gifts. Don't be a slave queen in there. The rules apply in jail. Because out here, like when you buy a lady a drink and then like, oh, now you're expecting me to go with you in jail. Yeah, they're expecting it. Just one cigarette. Yeah, you are married. Lobola.
Yes.
Yeah. One thing I've noticed about, like, Israel said the same thing, like, all the good-looking guys are in jail. Like, the most good-looking guys, like, they did the most serious crime. The ugly guys, they just take away your phone. Yeah, well, I remember I was with a group of ladies and they were talking about this. Yo, man, what they're doing to us, man. Yo. And then the picture of the guy that allegedly did the thing was like, now they changed the tone, like, wow, it's so good looking. Like, like it doesn't look like him. Like it looks like who? Like it looks like who? Like, so looks are always placed on something. I'm ugly and unsuccessful, like you just said. Like, rub this success on me. Rub this success on me. Because I saw what you did with Junior Kanye. You came here without teeth and now look at him. He's writing books.
Yeah.
Yo, I knew this one. Ghetto Ninja. I was so disappointed. When they filled it, I was so disappointed. Yes, like, and people were starting putting pressure on me. Like, see you next. Like, yo, bruh, I'm not going to buy things I used to have. When I go to heaven, I am prepared to answer God's question. My son, I gave you teeth. What did you do? I am ready.